Who are you? Say something, please. Who are you?
I want to kill somebody.
Who do you want to kill?
I want to kill somebody from this kingdom.
Why? Why would you want to kill somebody from this kingdom? Huh? Are you there? Are you there? Wish. You want to kill somebody. You want to kill somebody. Why? You're coming to me.
Good morning, son.
Good morning, mother.
How was your night? I hope your night was beautiful.
My night was not beautiful at all.
Why? What happened? What's the matter?
Nightmare. Nightmare all the time.
What nightmare?
Never mind. I'll be fine.
Okay. Your father said I should come up and check up on you.
I'm no longer a child.
And who says you are, son?
The way you and father check up on me all the time, it makes me feel you still think I'm a child.
So what do we rather do, son? Sit and allow you stay all alone? Knowing your condition? Son, we are doing what every good parent should do. And we tend to do more.
Thank you, mother.
What is it again?
When will I regain my sight, mother? I mean, when will I see the beauty of nature with my eyes? I am in darkness, mother. I feel I'm not equal to others.
Of course, son. You are not equal to others. You are a prince. A royalty.
A blind prince, you mean? A prince who cannot see the beauty of his kingdom with his own eyes.
My son, please do not talk like this. The gods have promised that you will save.
When?
Very soon.
How soon, mother? These are the same words I've been hearing since I was a child. Same words you spoke the last time we talked about this. When? When will I regain my sight, mother? When?
My son, the ways of the gods are not the ways of men. The gods have promised that you are going to regain your sight one day, and we are confident in their words. Your father and I have virtually done everything we could. We have offered countless sacrifices to the gods. The gods do not lie. I believe them, I trust them, and I'm sure they will answer us one day. Please do not display my son. Believe me.
What is this? You don't look right. What is the problem?
Your Majesty, do we need to offer more sacrifices to the gods? Have we not offered enough already? What are they still expecting us to do?
Calm down. Calm down and talk to me. What is it?
What could it be, if not the same issue, morning and night? Every day we hope that the gods will hear us. Your Majesty, how can I give birth to a son whose eyes cannot see?
I still cannot understand where all these things are coming from. Where are they coming from?
Your Majesty, I went to check on our son this morning. And there he was, lamenting over his blindness. My heart broke into pieces, Your Majesty, because I could clearly see the pains rooting all over his face. Please, Your Majesty, we cannot allow him to go on like this.
No. You see, it is not in our power to make him see. The gods have the final say. What have we not done? We have done everything. I have offered bundles of fat sheep to the gods, but all to no avail. I have offered sacrifices to Anyanwu, the god of the sun. I have offered to Amadion, the god of thunder. I have offered to even the goddess of the river. Still, all to no avail.
Your Majesty, I still think we can do something more.
Okay, all right. What do you want us to do? Tell me, and I will have it done immediately. Quiet. Okay, you see, when an egg cracks the pound, it is the stone that takes the shell. My son's problem is my problem. He is the one to take over for me when I answer my call to my ancestors. But how? How will he ascend the throne without his sight? I am as worried as you are, even more. Calm down. Calm down.
Gods of our land, is this how my reign will end? Is this how this throne will leave this family? No child to take over from me if my ancestors demand for me. Because having a blind child is like having none. The gods of my forefathers, why? Why? How will my son rule this land without his sight? Will the people of our land accept to be ruled by a blind king? Gods of my fathers, where are you? I heard how difficult things were in those days when my father was made the king. So many people were sick, but you never allowed them die. I heard that innocent ones sometimes died. You did bring them back to life. Why have you refused to do something over my son's sight? Have I offended you in any way? Have I disobeyed the land? Have I not been serving my people well? Why this? How do I handle this situation?
Eyes of the gods, you're welcome. I suppose the king is inside.
Yes,
Go and announce my arrival.
Long live your majesty.
Zube, what is it?
The chief priest of Obodoma is here to see you.
Okay. Take him to the throne room and I will join him soon.
As it pleases you, your majesty.
All right. I am the God.
Your Majesty.
You're welcome. You see, our people used to say that when a cock crows at the wrong time, the cock then would have seen something bigger than it is. I sent for you unannounced because my mind is troubled.
What troubles the good king of Obodoma?
It is my son. The condition of my son troubles my heart.
Why troubling yourself, your majesty? The gods have promised you that your son will regain sight.
When? No, when will it be?
When he becomes a man.
That is my worry. Any age above 18 is no longer a childhood age. And my son is well over the childhood age. So why has he still not regained his sight since the God said that he will regain his sight when he becomes a man?
Your majesty.
Yes.
The secret of the chameleon is unknown to men. Same way, the ways of the gods are unknown to men. The gods do not lie.
Yes, the gods do not lie, I know, but I am worried. Age is no longer on my side. Who knows when I will answer the call of my forefathers? My son, Prince Ebere, the man we are talking about, is the one to ascend this throne. I of the gods, if I tell you I'm not worried, I lie.
Your majesty, the gods are wise. Our all-knowing gods are wise. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Same way, the problem of your son is not hidden before the gods.
They know what to do. They will do it when your son becomes a man. The gods have spoken, and so shall it be, your highness.
Greetings to you, Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Iko, I would like to be left alone.
As it pleases you, my king. Your Majesty. What was the outcome of the meeting with the chief priest?
Same old story. Old story of when he becomes a man.
Oh, Your Majesty, our son is no longer a boy. He is close to 30 years.
I told him that. I told him. You see, what I still do not understand is this talk about when he becomes a man. Why not now? I can't tell what other height of manhood that they want him to attain. I don't know. Is it when he gets married?
Your Majesty, that might be the case. Maybe the gods want our son to get married.
Get married? How sure are you that our son wants the wife now?
Does he have a choice? Maybe that's what the gods are pointing at.
Okay, if that is the case, why did they not go straight to the point?
Your Majesty, you have always told me that the ways of the gods are not the ways of men.
Okay, so in essence, what are you saying?
What I'm saying in essence is that we should give it a trial. Explain the situation to our son and make him to understand.
is there? Who is there? Who's crying? Huh? Why are you crying? Where are you?
I come with anger. I want to kill somebody.
Huh? Who do you want to kill? Who do you want to kill and why? Who are you? Answer me, who are you? What do you want? Who do you want to kill? Why? Are you still there? Huh? Are you still there?
Said that all is not well. So what is troubling my king?
Agent,
Go ahead.
when the bush is on fire, the chameleon learns how to run fast.
That's true.
Good. The bush is now on fire, but the chameleon has not even learned how to run at all.
Your Majesty, you speak in very hard proverbs.
Agent,
Your Majesty.
I am just like the chameleon. And the burning bush is just like my son's sight that has not been restored, and yet I am doing nothing about it. Is it because old age is catching up with me, is it?
Your Majesty, this matter is giving me so much concern. Do you know that we elders even consulted chief priests on the same issue?
So what did he say to you? What did he say?
It's just the same thing, that the gods will make the prince to see when he becomes a man.
You see, that is where my worry lies. That is why it lies. The same old story of the gods will make him see when he becomes a man. And the prince we are talking about now is no longer a child. My son is nearly 30 years of age. So tell me, Ijendo, how will my son ascend the throne of Obodoma without regaining his sight?
Your Majesty, our all-knowing gods are wise.
When is... I know. I have so much belief in the gods. Yes, I do. But my problem is, what offense have I committed against them? Is my son's blindness a punishment for my deeds, or what?
No, Your Majesty. You have not offended the gods. You hardly offend people, not to talk of the gods. You are a kind-hearted and loving and caring king. Everybody in our community, we are all proud that to have you as our king. I'm saying that we should give the gods just some time. Yes, Your Majesty.
Really?
Yes.
All right. I agree with you. But I have decided on what to do.
What could that be?
I will get a wife for my son. I want him to get married.
Marry?
Yes.
I do not get you, mother. What are you saying?
Your father and I want you to get married.
Married?
Son,
Why?
it is for your own good, my son. Seriously, we are having sleepless nights because of your condition.
And what has getting married got to do with my condition?
The chief priest said that you will regain your sight when you get married.
Will getting married make me a man?
Who knows? Maybe it does for the God's appointment.
Let me ask you this, mother. Take a look at me.
Do you think any reasonable woman will accept a blind man as a husband?
My prince, you are a prince, and being blind has not changed that. You are the dream of every maiden out there, and every maiden out there will want to be clothed in the splendor of royalty. They will not say no to your proposal. My son, please. I am your mother, and I know what you need.
You don't know what I need, mother. What I need is my sight, not a wife.
Please, my son, let us give this a trial. I'm begging you. Let's just try it. Who knows, might be what the gods are demanding from us. Please. It's okay.
Are you sure about this?
The gods have spoken. Let's just give them a trial. I am sure. Trust me. It will work. Okay?
Are you very sure of what you're telling me? So you're asking me if I'm very sure of what I'm saying? Yes. I heard it clearly when the queen was begging the prince to get married. And what is bad there if the prince wants to get married? Hi, Amara. I want her to finish now. Finish what? Hi. Okay. So tell me, who is this lucky girl? I don't know for now, but I think, seriously, I'm thinking that she's looking for someone worthy to be the next queen of this kingdom. But guess what? I wish I would be the next queen of this kingdom. Hey!
Too bad, because she will not choose you.
So, babe, you're busy listening to our discussions, right?
Yes, I was listening to all your gossips. Oluchi, when will you stop this attitude of gossiping?
Do not insult me, okay? Don't insult me.
The last time, that was how you nearly left the palace because of gossiping.
It's not your business, okay? It's not your business. Excuse me.
Fat, you girls, next time I see you, talking rubbish, I'll report you to Her Majesty. I must report you to Her Majesty.
Yes, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine.
Please sit down. How are your parents?
They're fine. They send their greetings.
I greet them too. Have you been served anything?
Yes. I'm fine. Thank you, Mom.
Good. Let me not waste your time. I guess you know the reason you are here.
Yes, Mom. My mother told me.
Good. I know she also told you that we were childhood friends and that we grew up together. We did virtually everything together until I married my husband, who is now the king of Obodoma. My daughter, let me not bore you with our childhood escapades and go straight to the reason you are here. I want you to marry my son. I want you to be the next queen of Obodoma. My daughter, will you accept to marry my son?
Your Majesty, if the gods have decided to clothe me with royalty, and you, Your Majesty, have accepted me into the royal home, who am I to say no?
Is that a yes?
My prince, you sent for me.
Yes, I sent for you.
What will I do for my prince?
Do you interpret dreams?
Dreams? My prince, I do not interpret dreams. But if I may ask, what is a dream?
A I've been having this dream. More like a nightmare. The maiden keeps coming to me, saying she wants to kill somebody.
Kill? My prince, this is serious. Who is the maiden? My prince, have you told the king?
No, man. Where is my mother?
She's at the sitting room having a serious discussion with a beautiful maiden that just visited her.
The maiden?
Yes, my prince.
Who is she?
I don't know her, and I've not seen her before.
Me.
Alright, my prince.
You as well as the gods. And after you days in the palace successfully, marriage proper commence.
Okay.
Then you can now come to the palace as the princess of Obodoma. Though the king would have loved to see you, but he went for all the traditional rulers meeting in the state. But don't worry, even if you didn't meet him before you leave, that means you'll be coming back tomorrow.
No problem, ma.
Once again, my daughter, you are welcome to the royal palace.
Thank you, ma.
I hope you're happy.
I must say I am the happiest man today. The happiest man to be alive and see my daughter-in-law. It's not as easy as that. In fact, not every father would see it.
Father, please. You are still very young. You're not that old yet.
No, my son, don't say that. Don't go there.
Of course now, Your Majesty. You are still very young. Yeah.
Okay. But I do not want to live longer than our ancestors. Oh, yes. New couple and gossip.
But that's the way we did ours when we were younger, when we newly got married.
I remember that. I remember. I wish I were younger.
Your Majesty,
yes.
The dining is set.
Okay. We have heard that. The dining is set. So shall we move to the dining?
Let them go first. I called all of you to formally introduce my daughter-in-law to you. I guess you all know that she's the wife to the prince.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Good. She's now royalty. And as such, she'll be accorded all the respect and authority attached to royalty. Am I understood?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Oluchi, you will be her personal maid.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Follow her everywhere she goes, and I do not want to receive any complaints. Am I understood?
Yes, Your Majesty.
You all may return to your duty posts.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, here you are. I was waiting for you at the dining and the food is almost getting cold. My king, you're worried. What troubles you?
Of what use is that food when my heart boils in pain?
Oh.
It is of no use.
Oh. I know, because for the past 2 days I noticed the change in your countenance, and I do not bother to ask you because I know you're a king with many matters to attend to. Please tell me, my lord, what troubles you?
Lolo, 1 month. 1 month has gone since our son got a wife. Still he is living with blindness. 1 month gone.
My king, in as much as it bothers us, we still do not have to time the gods. I know it's 1 month gone, but...
But what is stopping him from regaining his sight? That's my question. Has he not suffered enough? No, what else do we need to do?
Please take it easy, my lord.
Take it easy? Did I hear you say take it easy? Now let me ask you a question, Lord. If you hear that another woman is coming into this palace to assume the position of a queen, will you take it easy?
Your Majesty.
You heard me. I am at the verge of losing my throne. The kingship of this kingdom is little by little scraping off my fingers, and you are here telling me to take it easy. No, I will not. I will take the bull now by the horn.
My lord, I know how you feel.
Oh no, you don't. If you do, you wouldn't have told me to take it easy.
My lord, no one questions the gods. That I know.
So where were these gods? Where have they been? Why are they not doing what they are supposed to do?
My king, you're taking this far.
How? No, is this my reign as the king of Obodoma kingdom not a sign of doom? Is it not? My father never struggled to give birth to me as a child. I struggled to get my own child. I was never born blind, but my child was. So what have I done wrong? Where have I offended the gods?
Your Majesty.
Woman, I would like to be left alone.
Your Majesty.
You heard me. Please.
My queen.
My child. How are you?
I'm worried.
What troubles you, my child?
It's about the prince.
The prince? What about the prince?
He's been moody since morning. He wouldn't talk to me. He wouldn't say a thing to me.
Do you know what it is?
That is my worry. I have tried to get him to talk, but he said he wants to be left alone.
So where is he now?
He's in the room.
Okay. I'll go and see him immediately.
Oh, thank you so much.
What is going on, mother? I still cannot see. You said after getting married, I will get my sight. I'm married now. I cannot see. If anything is wrong, tell me, mother. What is going on?
Son, let us not begin to question the gods. They have the final say.
But I am worried.
I am worried also. I've had sleepless nights because of this. There's nothing I've not thought concerning this your condition. Do you think I am happy seeing you this way? No.
So why was I pushed into getting married, knowing fully well that it is not the solution to my problem? Why?
Don't tell me you regret getting married.
Of course not. But I want to see, mother. My joy will not be complete except I use my eyes. I want to see.
You will see. You will see, my son. It's just a matter of time.
Time you say, mother. It's obvious you're just telling me these things to calm me down. When will I see, mother? Is it when I grow old and die that I will begin to see?
God forbid! God forbid this. Don't sound like this, my son. All you need to do now is to be strong. Please, be strong for yourself and be strong for me. Your father is in his room, lamenting, and you are here questioning me. What do you want me to do? Do you want me to die? Or go crazy? My son, please, I'm begging you. Be strong. All this will soon come to an end.
Nzube, This one you are hurrying like this, where are you rushing to?
Igwe is worried.
Worried about what?
I certainly do not know. It happens to do with the prince's health condition.
But is it not supposed to be? I mean, who wouldn't be?
Well,
the heir to the throne of this kingdom is blind. It really calls for worry.
I am rushing. He asked me to go and call the chief priest to come to the palace immediately.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Okay, no problem.
What is keeping the boy, Your Majesty?
I don't know.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Isabel, where is he?
He refused to come, Your Majesty.
He refused to come? Did you tell him that I said I wanted him in the palace immediately?
I did exactly that, Your Majesty. But he said I should tell you that the prince will regain his sight when he becomes a man.
What nonsense? What nonsense? Did you just hear that? The chief priest wants to make mockery of me. He wants to take advantage of my problem to insult me.
Your Majesty, please calm down.
Who is he? Who is the chief priest? I sent for him and he refused to come. Instead, he sent back word to me. Okay. All right.
Nzube,
Your Majesty.
did you really see the chief priest?
Yes, Your Majesty.
And he told you exactly what you said?
Yes, Your Majesty.
You may leave.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Alileke posimno amo akwandeli okwabu mweze aliliana chibumo.
What is it?
Alileke
What is it? What is it?
It was just a dream.
akwandeli
You scared me.
I'm sorry.
nande mamo mamo nisio nande mamo mamo
Your Majesty.
Yes. There is no longer time to fold arms and discuss. Something has to be done and done very fast. Is this matter beyond the gods?
No. Ijendo, don't say a thing like that. It hasn't gotten to that. There is no matter that is beyond the gods. Nothing is greater than them.
What do you want me to say? The condition of the prince is a threat, not only to the royal family, but the entire kingdom.
My chiefs. Our people used to say that when a load becomes too heavy for the head transfers it to the shoulder. But it is very dangerous if the shoulder becomes weak. I do not share in the opinion that this matter is beyond the gods. My chiefs, why are the gods silent over this issue that has been threatening us? Do you know that I sent for the chief priest yesterday and he refused to come? Yes, he refused to come. Instead, he sent back words to me that the prince will regain his sight when he becomes a man. Is he not directly or indirectly ridiculing me? Is he not?
Your Majesty, I do not think that this issue... Your Majesty, if you ask me, we should go and seek for solution out of this kingdom. Outside this kingdom. We have to go and seek for solution outside this kingdom.
Elendo, you talk as if you know where to go and get the solution.
Hey, Your Majesty, I know of a Dibia from Mbele who can give us solution to this problem.
Elendo, how sure are you?
Your Majesty, I know him very well. I trust in him. Although, not promising that he will give us the final solution to restoring the sight of our prince. But, okay. Your Majesty, we can try him.
Okay then, how do we get to stay here?
Your Majesty, the sun is set now. By sunrise tomorrow, Your Majesty, I can leave to fetch him.
Okay, in that case, you will not go alone. You need someone to accompany you. Because you cannot embark on this kind of journey alone. Someone has to come with you.
Your Majesty, I will go with him.
Oh, that's good.
That's great. That's great.
In that case, two of you will set up at sunrise tomorrow. And I'll provide all you need for the journey.
Long live Your Majesty. Ejendo, my brother, I was personally shocked. Who would have believed that Elendo travels as far as Ndele to consult a Dibia man?
Well, that is his business. All I'm concerned is that he should bring the man to come and proffer solution to the problem. That's all.
And how do you think that Dibia is going to bring will solve the problem?
I don't know. But the gods have the final say. All we have to do as humans and leave the rest for the gods.
Bodoma, why such calamity?
It is indeed a calamity. I don't know. Since I was born, I have never seen a child born blind talk more of an heir to the throne.
Well, let's see what happens tomorrow. For me, a blind prince is like a dead prince. He cannot inherit that throne.
Of course,
Of
course. The throne of Obodoma is so sacred that nobody can sit on it if the person is not complete.
At all.
So if that is the way the gods wants to remove the throne from that family, so let it be.
So be it, oh my brother. This matter is becoming unpredictable. It is. Well, let's see what tomorrow has. For a child whose mother went to the market, his eyes will always be on the road.
Exactly.
Let's keep calm and then see what tomorrow has for us. Thank you very much.
All right, my brother.
Elu, rie. Ala, rie. Eke, Ori, Afo, Nkwo.
Da!
My king.
Yes.
The ground does not know that the rainfall is a bad friend until the brother, thunder, joins him. Ta! If a witch cries in the night and a child dies in the morning, needless to ask questions why the child died.
Dibia from Mbele, you speak in strong words. I don't even understand you. Please speak to us in plain language.
Yes, I wish to speak, but my mouth is heavy.
No, you have to say something. You need to say something. You see, we brought you all the way from Mbele to say something to us. Please tell us what we want to hear.
Your Majesty.
Yes.
My mouth is heavy. I had wanted to speak, but the gods do not want me to speak.
Please. Great OCC, you have to tell us something. You have to.
Your Majesty.
Yes.
Oko sisi, no never ni share.
Prove it.
Ana baby. Ona wonga kasara. If the hunter reveals all the secrets he sees in the forest, even the farmers will be afraid to go to their farm. Let the gods of the land of Obudama do the rest of the works. I am just a stranger in this land. And if I speak all I see, I may lose my life. In peace I come, and in peace I go. The journey to Mbele is a very far one. Let the wind take me to Mbele. Yes, I wish to speak, but my mouth is heavy.
No. You have to say something. You need to say something. You see, we brought you all the way from Mbele to say something to us. Please tell us what we want to hear.
Your Majesty.
Yes.
My mouth is heavy.
Let them say something. Let them say something. They should say something. Who is that? Come in.
Your Majesty, I heard you called my name.
You get out of my presence now. Get out.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
Who is it? Come in.
Your Majesty.
You again. What is your problem? Have you got mad? What is it again?
Your Majesty, the chief priest of Obodoma Kingdom is here to see you.
Greetings,
You're welcome.
Your Majesty.
Yes.
The throne of Obodoma is meant for only those who have royal blood flowing in their veins.
I know that.
The throne belongs to this family.
Ezedibia,
Your Majesty.
have you come here to mock me? No, are you here to mock me? The throne belongs to this family, and yet the throne is about slipping off my family, and yet the courts are silent. I have even gone as far as Mbele, seeking solution, something I have never done before. Yet the gods have decided to keep quiet. Ezedibia, what have I done wrong? In which way have I offended the gods? Can you tell me?
Your Majesty, you have not wronged the gods. Hold your peace. The gods have heard your plea.
Oh, the gods have heard my plea. Thanks be to the gods. And yet my son has not regained his sight. Look at that.
Your Majesty, something will happen that will make your son regain his sight. So, go and tell the men and women of Obodoma that the gods have promised to restore the sight of the prince tomorrow. The gods have spoken.
Oh, my dear queen, don't tell me you are not ready yet.
Your Majesty, today is going to be a great day.
Oh, I know that.
I've long anticipated for today. So give me time to look gorgeous. My son will be seeing me for the first time today, so I need to look decent for him.
I know, but other women have started coming in already.
Your Majesty, wait for me at the sitting room. I'll be joining you shortly.
All right, but please don't keep me waiting.
I want Your Majesty.
Okay.
Your Lord. I'll join you soon. Is my hair okay?
Yes, Your Majesty.
I need to beat this bit on my hand.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Yeah.
People of Obodoma, today we are going to unmask the masquerade that have been tormenting this royal family. I know everybody here will want the prince to see.
Yes. We want him to see.
The gods have promised us. But before we stop the smoke, we must first of all stop the fire. Your Majesty.
Yes.
I shall tell you the cause of your son's blindness. The gods have revealed it to me. I speak only what the God tells me to.
Go ahead, eye of the gods.
If I lie, let me pay with my life.
Go ahead, eye of the gods. We are all ears.
People of Obodoma, I know you want to hear this.
Yes.
The queen is the cause of his son's blindness.
Ezemo, retrieve your word immediately. I would never have you come into my palace and insult my wife.
Your Majesty, what you do not know is greater than what you know.
What are you talking about? What is that thing that he does not know? How dare you accuse me of making my own son blind?
My queen, I did not say you made your son blind, but you caused his blindness.
How? How? Your Majesty, I do not know what he's talking about.
Easy. Let me handle it. Ezemo, I hope you know the penalty that awaits anybody who accuses the Queen Mother of Obodoma. I hope you know that. I would not hesitate to have you put to death here if you do not explain to me and all these people here how my wife is the cause of my son's blindness.
Your Majesty,
I am listening.
Ask your wife what she did when she was barren. Ask your wife how many gods and goddesses she offered sacrifice to. And ask your wife what happened to the palace maid before she had a son. Let her speak.
What is it? You look worried. Please, what has the elders told you? Talk to me, my husband.
They told me to take a new wife that will give me a child.
So this is what the meeting is all about? They all left their houses too.
My dear, you don't have to put any blame on the elders. Because what they told me was not wrong.
By telling you to get a new wife.
But you know I need a child. I need a child. A king is not complete without a successor. I need an heir to the throne of Obodoma.
But it's not our power to make children. The gods give child.
Why then have they not given us?
Your Majesty, please don't tell me don't tell me you're considering to what they just told you. What did you go to my husband's room to do at this late hour of the night?
His Majesty called me to.
Thank you for what?
I'm sorry, my queen. I forgot to tidy up Majesty's room, so he called me to come and do it this night.
And you went to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
You are foolish. Coward. Now must you get out of my sight before I descend on you now. Your Majesty, she has to leave the palace. Why? I find no merit any longer staying inside this palace. Short, our services is no longer needed. I've found someone to replace her with.
You have done what? How will you bring in someone to this palace without my consent? How?
Your Majesty, I've not said I've brought someone. I said I have someone to replace her with. If anyone must leave this palace.
What is this thing that this girl has done to you that you don't want to forgive her? You know, this girl has been with us in this palace for almost 5 years.
5 years is enough for us to replace her with someone. I just don't know why you don't want her to leave this palace.
And I don't understand why you want her to leave.
I just don't need her services any longer.
Anyway, I'm afraid no work until you give me a cogent reason why you want her to leave.
Eh?
You heard me well. Now, change this topic.
So I became very angry because I thought I was losing my husband to a common maid. And the elders were on the neck and shoulder of my husband to get a new wife. And I was also suspecting that if Naya was having an affair with my husband. So I could not control my fears anymore. I could not control my fears. So I had to poison Ifeanyi today.
What? You did what?
Your Majesty, please forgive me. Hey, what have I done?
Mother.
Hey.
Father, who was Ifeanyi?
Ifeanyi was a maid here in the palace long before we were born. She died of food poison.
Is she not the maid that keeps appearing to me in my dream?
Yes. Yes.
My queen, go ahead and tell us more.
What more do you want me to say? What do you want me to say again?
My queen, tell the people of Obodoma where you went to in search of a child and the promises you made.
After cleaning Ifeanyi, situations of things did not change in my home. His Majesty was still worried about our inability of having children. Then I knew my position as the Queen of Obodoma is threatened. So I started going from place to place, from one place to another in search of a child.
Just wait for me here. I'll be right back soon, okay?
But my queen, this place is very loaded. I can't just allow you to go play alone. It's not safe.
I'll be fine. Just stay here.
But the king, we have military to deliver. If anything happens to you, I'm here to protect you.
Look, one problem with you is that you talk too much. I'll be fine. Just stay here.
Otazi! Otazi! Great gods of Otazi, your daughter is here for a request. Please grant her a request. Queen of Obodoma, you can make your request to the great gods of Otazi.
Gods of Otazi, I have come with a heavy heart. Gods of Otazi, I need a child. I need a child. My marriage is at the verge of collapsing. The elders of our land want my husband to get another wife because of my inability to bear a child. Gods of Otazi, please give me a child. Just one, and I'll be forever indebted to you.
Great gods of Otazi, you've heard the cry. Please grant her the request. Queen of Obodama, you can leave now. Your request is granted. You can leave.
My dear, my queen, what is it? I've been watching you since morning. You have been so worried. Is anything the matter?
Nothing, Your Majesty. I'm fine.
Okay. I still have not stopped wondering what happened to Ifeyinwa. Who could have poisoned Ifeyinwa in this palace?
I saw it coming. I felt it. And I told you, but you wouldn't listen. Now you see what she has brought to this palace?
Ifeyinwa is not all that bad. It's not all that bad. The chief priest said that Ifeyinwa was poisoned. So my question now is, who could have poisoned Ifeyinwa in this palace? Who?
If you ask me, who will I ask? Have you heard I killed before?
It's alright. It's alright. But the death of Ifeyinwa is still so strange to me. She is still so strange to me.
Great Ijabara! I have come as instructed. I have come to give you your glory. Please give me my heart desire. This night I stay here to make this vow, that if you give me a child, I will forever be indebted to you. Great Ijabara, I know you have heard me. I've done my best. I leave the rest for you.
Man, why do you stress yourself? Why do you go from place to place searching for a child?
Wayne, who are you? There is no need to know us, for we already know you. Be patient, for the gods will give you a child.
Wayne, when will it be? Is it when the king gets married to another wife that the gods will give me a child?
We are the messengers of the 7 clans of Obodoma Kingdom. We'll bring you message from the gods. Go home and hold your peace, for the gods will give you a child.
But how sure are you? Please don't mock me.
Queen of Obodoma, hold your peace, for the gods will give you a child at their own appointed time. But remember, immediately you become pregnant, come back and thank the gods. Come back and appreciate them. Go
now. Go.
My dear queen, just like I have always told you, that the gods do things at the appointed time. Now you can see they have done it.
I've seen it, and it's just like a dream. No dream.
Finally, the throne of Obodoma have an heir. May the gods be praised.
He said...
I was so worried. I thought the throne of Obodoma was going to leave this place. Now you can see that the gods are wise. Now my queen is carrying a baby in this womb. And I'm so confident that what is in the stomach is a baby boy, the prince of the land.
How did you know he's a boy, man?
Oh, I was the one that did the work. So I am so potential to access what is there. This is the prince of Obodoma, the heir to the throne.
Finally, I'm so overwhelmed. Can't believe I'm carrying my child in my womb. May the gods be praised.
I told you that the ways of the gods are not the ways of men.
I now feel like a real woman. May the gods of our land be praised.
Oh, I also feel like a complete king. May the gods be praised.
The same.
You were told to come back and show appreciation when you become pregnant. But you failed to do so. That was why the gods had to take the sight of your son while in the womb.
But the gods shouldn't have done that, considering the fact that I am the king.
No, your majesty. The gods will have given you a child when the time is right. But your wife was desperate and in need of a child. That was why the gods gave her a child with condition to come back and say thanks. What happened? She failed.
What do we have to do to appease the gods so that my son's sight will be returned?
Not only that, your majesty. The spirit of the maiden she killed cries for vengeance. And her heart boils with anger. I can see deaths so common in this kingdom. I see that cloud of rain about to fall in this kingdom. And it is rain of blood and death. I suggest every one of you should go home and wait for their dying days. Because I can see death knock at your doors.
Chief priest, you are the only God we see. What can we do to avert this calamity?
Until the gods are appeased, the entire kingdom will know no peace.
I am the gods. Please tell us, what sacrifices does the gods need to appease them?
It is only the queen that will appease the gods and also settle the spirit of the innocent girl.
So what sacrifice does she have to offer to appease the gods and the spirit of this girl?
He has to go fully naked in broad daylight. And walk around the 7 clans of Obodoma with 7 native eggs to appease the gods of the land and cleanse the blood of the innocent girl that spilled in the land. And also plead with the gods to make the prince's sight return to him. After all this, your majesty, I assure you that the prince will regain his sight and the spirit of the innocent girl will cry no more. Your majesty, a bird that wants to perch on a tiny rope will learn how to dance. I am only a borrowed mouth. I speak what the god tells me to. But if the queen fails to do so, the kingdom should wait for the wrath of the gods.
How possible will this be? My wife, the royal queen of Obodoma, go naked and walk round the 7 clans of the kingdom? Is this not to ridicule me? Oh, gods of our land, why? Why do you want to subject me to such heavy disgrace? How will I feel before other kings from other kingdoms? Can't there be another way out? Please, gods of our land, please, I beg of you, gods of my forefathers.
Aliliana chibumo, alilia gebusim no wame, akwandelio, nane mamomo, momo nisio, nane mamomo, momo nisio, abiabaramu wawe mejotimo. Ogini kamere, Timo Baranamo, Kawera Yamusa, Abiabaramu, where Major Timo.
Yes, my son. Father, this is too hard for me to believe. It's so hard to think that mother, in all these years that I have been blind, Father, Mother is the cause of my blindness. Okay, Father, the solution is here. I mean, you heard the chief priest, the solution is here. Once it's done, I'll have my sight. Finally, your son will have his sight. What's going on? Has she got naked? Huh?
My son, the solution you are talking about is that your mother should go naked round the 7 clans of this community.
Yes, Father, I will have my sight. Yes.
So, are you supporting that your mother, the queen mother, should go around naked? Is that what you're saying?
Father, the only thing I support right now is anything that will give me my sight. I support me seeing, Father. Look at me. Look at your only son, the heir to your throne, Father. I'm blind. I'm a blind prince. I need to have my sight. I need to see anything that can be done. Let me just see, Father. Let me see, please.
I will not go naked to appease any gods. Never. I will not do it.
Excuse me, Mother. Excuse me. Do you still have your clothes on? Huh? Are you telling me you still have your clothes on, Mother? Father, is it true? She hasn't gone naked? Huh? Does she still have her clothes on, Father? Where's the law? You claim you have for me, Mother. Where's the law? Do you want me to die blind? Do you want me to die blind, Mother? Calm down. Do you want a way out, Mother? There is no way. You heard it. You heard it. You said there is no way he goes. Another way he goes would have said it. There is no way, Mother. You don't want my sight.
Natural me for me. If it jello book I for me, Abu me go na full dimnanya. Abu zigini ne mami fa. Abu gini ne bumi fa. Abu na bisi abu.
Please, my son. Listen. There is one thing I want you to understand. That your mother and I love you so much.
I do not need your love, Father. I do not need your love. I need my sight. I want to use my eyes, Father. I want to use my eyes.
You will use your sight.
When, Father, when? When will that be? How will I use my sight? When you and mother have refused to do what has to be done to get my sight. When will I use it?
Listen. What the gods are demanding is too much. What they ask for is an impossibility. It's not done.
The gods ask that mother should go around town naked to appease them. Is that not it?
Exactly.
So what is so difficult in doing that? What is so difficult in going naked to regain the sight of the one you claim to love? What, Father?
Listen, my son, understand the fact that your mother is not an ordinary woman in this kingdom. She is the queen mother.
Of course she is. Of course she is the queen mother. And I am the blind prince of this kingdom.
Listen, calm down. We do understand how you feel.
Calm down, not, Father. You do not understand what I feel. You do not understand how I feel, Father. Look at me. Look at me, Father. I am meant to be a prince, but I am blind. I have been blind from birth. Father, I cannot see. How old am I, Father? I cannot see. Now the solution is here for me to regain my sight. You do not want to take it. Why? Just let me be, Father.
No, Ebere. I won't let you be. See, the gods are supposed to ask for another thing, not your mother's nakedness. Look at it now.
Father.
Yes.
You have always told me that the gods must not be questioned, right? Father, if you truly love me, Father, if you love me as your son, your only son, Father, then you will persuade mother to do what needs to be done for me to get my sight. Please, Father.
Listen, my son. I won't do no such thing. It is not proper.
Then you go find yourself another son, Father. Because I will kill myself. And I mean it.
Your Majesty, what is wrong? I just had a very terrible dream.
Dream?
Yes.
What did you dream about?
Death. I saw death in this palace. It was more than real.
Death?
My God.
What shall we do to quench this pain and sorrow?
My God! What is that? Ujana! Ujana! Ada! Ada! The God of Obodona! What have I done? My children will not die! They will not die! Ujana! What have I done? You will not die. You will not die. Come on, come on. You will not die. You
You will not die. Come back. You will not die. You will not die. You will not die. You will not die. Stop. Come. Listen to me. Do it. Go and call my brother. Go my brother.
Alileke pasimno wamo akwandelia okwapu muweze alilia nachibumo alileke pasimno wame akwandelia.
Thank you, Your Majesty. This is sweet. Junior. My prince.
Sure.
Sit down. My prince. How are you?
Father.
Yes, my son.
When am I going to regain my sight?
Well, my son, you will regain your sight very soon, okay? Very soon.
Which time is very soon?
My son, the gods of our land has said that you will regain your sight when you become a man. Yes. So don't worry yourself. You will regain your sight very soon.
Mother, how many years more before I will become a man?
The gods of the land said in 5 years' time you will become a man and you will regain your sight.
Thank you, Mother.
Thank you, my son. Do you want some oranges?
At last, I'm happy now. My parents told me that soon I will regain my sight.
But when are you regaining it?
They said it is in 5 years' time.
5 years? Yeah. But is that not too much? When my sister had a problem with her eyes, my parents took her to a man and the man put something into the eyes and she started seeing again.
How many years did it take your sister to see?
Just 1 week.
1 week?
Yes. Don't worry, we'll get better, okay? We'll get better.
Mother, is there not a father can do about my eye?
Something like what, son?
Take me to somewhere for treatment where I can regain my sight before the 5 years' time. Because Amechi, my friend, told me that something can be done for me to regain my sight before the 5 years' time.
My son, you worry yourself too much. Gods of our land has said that you will regain your sight. And you will. Your father and I are as worried as you are. And there's no place we have not been to. It's only the gods that can do this. And they have promised us. So don't worry yourself, okay?
I want to be left alone.
You know I will let you do that.
I want to sleep.
Sleep. This hour of the day.
I said I want to be left alone. I want to be left alone. Leave me alone!
Your Majesty, we greet you.
I greet you too.
Our people say that if a man's house is on fire, he does not chase rats. We have come to see you in respect of what the chief priest has said, that the queen should cleanse the land. Your Majesty, what do we do?
My chiefs, I greet you all.
Actually,
The head is becoming too heavy for the neck to carry. My heart is troubled, really, really troubled. Honestly, I do not know what to do. That is the truth.
Your Majesty, we the elders understand what you are passing through. But we cannot fold our hands and let death take us one after the other. Yes, the chief priest has said that death will visit this land. Your Majesty, do we...
Lindo, are you of the opinion that the queen of Obodoma should go naked?
No. Jendo, that is not what I mean. That is not what I mean. But something has to be done. We must look for a way out. Yes, the deed is done already. But in my own opinion, I want to suggest that we go and consult the chief priest again.
Why do you have to do that? I mean, how many times do you have to consult the chief priest? Why the gods have told the queen to cleanse the land? What else are we waiting? Are we waiting for the reign of death? Can't we see, my fellow elders, that it has already started? If not for the mercies of the gods, my two lovely children would have died at a spot 2 days ago. Are you people telling me that you did not heard about it?
We heard it.
Okay.
Okoroji, you are just... What are you telling us? Go straight to the point. Tell us what is in your mind. You are only giving us roasted yam without oil to ease digestion. What is in your mind? Let us know.
My mind is what the chief priests have already said. He told the queen plainly to go and cleanse the land, and the queen must abide to it. That's what I'm saying. To avert the wrath of the gods in our land.
Koroji.
Ijendo, do you want to die? I'm aware you don't. Nobody can stand the wrath of the gods. I don't want anything to happen to me. Nobody will take care of my children if I die.
The queen should go and cleanse our land. That's what I'm saying. To avoid all this problem. Your
Majesty, I have tried all I could to calm him down. All to no avail. I don't know what I want to do.
It's okay. Don't bother yourself so much about that. The prince is passing through a lot now, and you are his wife. So keep talking to him.
He doesn't want to talk to me.
Yes, of course I will not say anything to you. Nobody should talk to me. Huh? Nobody should talk to me. All I want is for you to do what is right. I want my sight, that's all. Nobody should talk to me. I do not wish to speak to anybody. I don't need anything from anybody. I want my sight. I want to see, that's all.
Son, this is not the best way to handle this.
So what is the best way to handle it, mother? Huh? You are the cause of this, and you still want me to die in blindness.
You want me to go naked? I will not go naked to appease any gods. Tell me, son, where were they? Where were they when I was desperately searching for a child? Where were they?
Never I will do it.
It's not just about looking for a child, mother. You killed! Even mother, you killed somebody! You killed a maiden! But father, allow me to speak. I mean, you cannot continue like this now. I'm sick and tired of all this rubbish. Let her appease the gods. Huh? Let her cleanse the land she desecrated. That's all. I'll be fine. Everybody will be fine. I have my sight back and I'll be happy.
Do you know what it means for an adult to walk naked around the community? Talk more of a queen mother. Do you know?
Father, I was born blind. I have never seen anybody's nakedness. But I know that it's all about taking off your clothes. That's all. Take off your clothes, you go naked, do whatever has to be done, and let your son will see. That's all. I mean, what's so difficult in this, Father? Huh? Father, it's not fair.
Take him back to his room.
Oh no,
Your wife complained to me that you have refused to speak with her. Refused to speak with the palace maid in charge of the kitchen. You have even refused to take your food. What is disturbing you?
Food and speech are for those who marry. My heart is in pain.
What is it, my son? What is it?
Of what use is food to a man whose fate has been decided by the gods? Of what use is food to a man who will spend the rest of his life in total darkness?
Don't talk like that. Don't talk like that, my son. The gods of Ubodoma are not cruel gods.
Father, I do not even know what the people around me look like. I do not even know what I look like, Father. I do not even know what you, my father, looks like. Is this not my destiny?
Gods forbid. Gods forbid. See, I shall find a solution to this. And I promise you.
Please, Father. Solution. I am blind, Father. But I am not deaf. I heard all the chief priest said. My destiny has already been decided.
But the gods forbid. See, you will one day regain your sight. Take my word for it.
Father, have you come to tell me that my mother is now ready to go around the 7 clans of Obodama naked? Are you ready to tell me that I will regain my sight, Father? Is that it? Huh?
No. That will be over my dead body. I will never be alive and say it happened. It's not proper.
That means you will not be alive to see me get my sight. Father, I am done talking. I wish to be left alone.
Elendo.
Majesty.
Do you know why I invited you here?
No, Your Majesty. How would I know? But you can go ahead and let me know.
I need your help.
I'm all ears, Your Majesty.
Elendo, I need you to travel to Mbele and fetch me that native doctor, that Dibia. I need him in the palace.
Your Majesty, you have quickly forgotten. Can you recall the last time he visited? How he displayed? Do you now want me, Your Majesty, to go and bring him back here again?
Elendo, I have not forgotten. I remember very well how he reacted when he came the last time. But you see, a man on the floor does not fear to fall. The death threats and the punishment for my wife, the queen of this kingdom, to walk naked on the street are two very serious issues. If I may ask you, Elendo, how would you like seeing the royal mother walk naked in the whole street?
No, Your Majesty.
You see, that is not only a disgrace to the royal family, it is also a big disgrace to the entire Obodoma kingdom.
That's true.
So I want to see this Dibia, to find out from him if there is any other way out, since our chief priest here has told us that there is no other way out.
Your Majesty.
Yes.
Since you insist, tomorrow, by sunrise, I will set out to go and fetch him.
Thank you very much.
Your Majesty, what can I do?
Thank you.
I'm your subject.
And I will provide all you need for that trip.
Oh, that's lovely, Your Majesty. Thank you, that's lovely.
Somebody's following me. An eye is watching me. Who are you? And what do you want? Make yourself visible. Now or never. Show yourself.
Where do you think you're going to?
Who are you to ask me questions? Oh, I see you don't have respect for a great Dibia like me.
You are on your way to the palace to see the king of Obodoma.
I know you. You have angers in your eyes. You have vengeance in your heart. But that is not enough to stop me. For when I back on a journey, nobody, not even you, can stop me.
Don't cross my path.
Little girl, I see you lack respect. But I don't have this time for you. Now, get out of my way. Zizi, can't go. Journey continues.
Anya mini ngokena chenzo Obara mana namu bianula numoko Anya mini ngokena chenzo
The black cloud cover the whole palace, and the cloud seems to rain. Huh. But the rain is not a good one. Your Majesty, I greet you.
I greet you too, great Dibia from Mbele. You are welcome to my palace. Please, can we get inside?
What I see will not permit me to go in there. Can't you see the flow of blood everywhere in the palace? Have you not seen the pregnant style that is wanting to reign the reign of death? Your Majesty, I see death. I see blood flowing everywhere.
Dibia, please. That is why I invited you here. I do not know what to do. You see, I sent one of my elders all the way to Mbele to come and fetch you. What do I do? How do I avert this death? Please, tell me.
I see the blood of a maiden crying out for vengeance until her death is avenged. This land will not know peace.
But great Dibia, you see, even what the gods are demanding is too much. It is just like a big slap on the face of the whole palace, the whole royal family. I think there must be a way out. So what is that way?
If you ask me,
I will say, go and appease the gods. Else, death upon death will be upon this land. Your Majesty, you can see the journey to Mele is a very long way. I have to start going before the sun sets. I take my leave, Your Majesty.
Ikoro, what is really going on in this land?
My brother, I'm really confused about the whole thing. The death threat is really giving me worry.
Did you say worry? Me, I am scared. Nobody is safe in this land anymore. The chief priest came the other day saying that the gods have turned their back on the land and that death will visit the land.
That is the same thing the DB from Mbele said. He also said something about the maiden that was killed years back.
You see, that's why I'm thinking of leaving this palace, because I am no longer comfortable staying in this palace.
I know the gods will be at peace. They must be at peace.
Okay, now do you think the queen will do what the chief priest said? Mban.
My brother, I don't know anything. No. Me, Ikoro, I don't know anything. I only came to the palace to work as a palace guard. What I do not know will never know me. That is all.
Me, I will not continue staying here in this palace.
We don't have to be in a rush. We don't have to. But we must be careful.
Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Your Majesty!
Your mother is dead?
Yes.
Was she sick?
No, Your Majesty.
What happened?
She did not complain of any sickness. Igwe! Igwe! Your Majesty! Igwe! 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 Igwe!
What is it, woman? What is it? My only son is dead.
Who will take care of my children? Igwe, I am finished. Igwe, where is
my only son is dead. My only son is dead. He's dead.
What is it? What do you want here? What have you called to do to the palace?
My queen.
Answer me!
We don't understand your question. We want to see the king.
What for? To re-inform him that people have started dying and that I should walk round Obudoma naked? If it is, then you all have failed. You people should go back. Because I am not going to walk naked for any so-called gods of Obodoma.
But my queen, you heard what the chief priest said.
Death will soon become a common thing in Obodoma.
Both the young and the old, they will soon start dying. Please, Queen of Obodoma, help us. Don't let all of us die. Please.
Yes, for our lives and the life of our children. Haven't you heard that a dog and first son died yesterday? Queen, please help us so that we all will not die.
I don't care. I don't care. If death comes knocking at my door, I die. Now let me ask all of you. Which among you will allow his wife walk naked in Obodoma simply because she committed a crime? Which among you? You no longer want to say something? Now listen, all of you. I, Ugoeze, the royal queen of Obodoma, will never read my lips. I will never walk naked for any so-called gods. My nakedness is only for my husband and not for any gods of Obodoma. Leave my presence.
Queen!
I said leave my presence. Don't make me repeat myself, else you will hate what I will do.
Queen!
Ikoro. His Majesty.
It's an order. Don't you ever allow this man enter the palace again. You know what to do.
Ngwa, everybody, oya.
What is the matter? What is wrong? I want to know.
We have come to see the queen. Go in there and tell her that we, the women of Obodoma, want to see her now.
Yes. It will not work. It was your husband, and now it's you, the wives. See, I must be frank with you. Her Majesty will not like to see you. That is the truth.
You lie. Just go inside and tell her that we, the women of this land, want to see her.
I said it will not work.
Your Majesty, I greet you.
Where is that noise coming from?
Your Majesty, the women of Obodoma wants to see you.
Wants to see me?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Why did he come with war songs?
Your Majesty, I don't know. So do I let them in?
No. No. I'll go to see them there.
of our land, daughters, mothers, and wives of Obodoma, I greet you all.
We greet you, my queen.
I must say I am very surprised to see all of you march to the palace with war songs. I ask, what is the problem?
What other problem do we have? Apart from the one at hand?
I don't understand.
You understand? Queen of Obodoma, what have we done wrong to you? Why do you want us to die?
I still do not understand you.
We, the women of Obodoma, we are not happy.
Yes.
You defy the land.
Yes.
And the God said that you should appease them. What are you still waiting for? Or do you want all of us to die?
Oh.
Now, sudden death has started killing our people.
As for me, I don't want to die. You think it's terrible? You must go and appease the gods. Yes. Neither me or my family will want to die.
Who gave you the gods? I ask, who gave you the gods?
Now let me ask all of you. Who amongst you will go naked right here in this palace? Who? Who will do it? You can't do it. Talk more of walking around naked in the 7th class of Obodoma. You have the guts to talk rubbish before me. Guts!
Your Majesty.
I don't want to see these women here when I come back.
Hallelujah.
Your Majesty.
Your Majesty.
Yes, my dear.
If not for the love we have for you and the entire kingdom, we the elders had decided not to enter this palace again. It was an insult for the queen to order us out of the palace, as if we are common men.
Ejendo,
Your Majesty.
I am still apologizing on her behalf. You know, our people say that a woman in labor will not even know when she goes naked. You and I know the trauma the queen is going through these days. Every little thing around her irritates her. Please, I want you to understand that. Please, I'm sorry. I have sent word to other chiefs.
Yes, Your Majesty. I quite understand her condition. But is there nothing we can do to remedy the situation? If I will ask, maybe one more time you need to see the chief priest and talk with him one-on-one.
If I tell you I have not consulted him again, then I will not be fit to be your king. I have done that. But he told me that the gods will not eat their words, that they won't go back.
My prince, I greet you.
No, don't greet me. Don't greet me. I can understand me, DJ. Don't greet me, please. Just hold it there. I don't even know why you people are still sitting down discussing this issue. I don't understand it. What are you discussing? Huh? When my father told me that whatever the gods say is final, it is irrevocable. So Cable Napa here, I don't even get it. The gods have said that my mother has to go naked. Once she does that, I don't know, go naked, dance naked, whatever. Let her just do it. I will have my sight. Why is it not being done? I don't understand. Why? Huh? I am the prince of Obodoma Kingdom. The sole heir to the throne of this kingdom. Am I right?
Yes, you are.
It means that my problem is the problem of the entire kingdom.
Exactly.
It means that my happiness is the priority of the entire kingdom.
Exactly.
So why don't you people want me to be happy? Huh? Are you happy seeing a blind prince? Are you happy?
Not so, my prince. We was just discussing with your father about it before you walked in.
Same thing I keep saying. What are you discussing? I don't understand. What are you still discussing? I don't get it. The gods cannot change their mind. What are you people discussing? Huh? If they say my mother should go naked, so I'll have my sight, let her go naked. Alright, fine. I will show you people that this thing is. I don't understand it. The God should have told me to go naked. If they had said it, I would have danced naked around the entire kingdom. Simple. I don't know if you touch me, you will die today, idiot. Leave me alone. Get out of here. Is it not it, father? Huh? Is that not it? Is that not it? Leave me alone. Let me go. What? I am tired of living like this. I'm tired of living in pain, living in misery. I am tired of living in darkness. I cannot bear it anymore. I cannot bear it anymore. I will end it. I will take my life. Gods of our land, please forgive me. Please forgive me. Accept what I'm about to do. I cannot take it anymore. I will end it. Please forgive me.
Please, son. Don't do this.
Stay away from me. Come near me, I will kill you, and I will kill myself. Stay away!
Please, my son, drop that knife you're holding. Drop it, please.
Please, my son, don't do this. I'm begging you. I'm begging you, please. Please.
This is what you've always wanted. This is what you've always wanted, mother. Now you will have it. You will have my blood on your hands, mother. Stay away from me.
Please, don't do this. Don't do this.
It is already too late. Father.
Think about me. I've suffered a lot of pain just to have a child. What do you want to become of me? Do you want me to die?
Do you also want me to die, mother? You know the solution to my problem, mother. You do not want to do it. That means you do not want me alive, mother.
Kill me, my son. Kill me instead. Kill me.
Don't do this to me. We can find a way to handle this. Don't do this to me. I will die heartbroken. And my lineage will be closed. And nobody will ever remember that a king like me ever existed. I am not happy seeing you in this condition, but you also know that I've done everything a father would do. Please, I beg of you, my son, please. Please don't do this. It's all right. Please. It's all right. Please don't do this. Please.
Good. Thank you, sir.
Wait a minute. Who gave him the knife?
That is even the next question I wanted to ask. How did he come across the knife? Who gave it to him? God's thank you.
Who's there? Why are you outside? Who's there? So if I have not come out now, I wouldn't have known that you are still outside. Who's there? Who's there?
Are you telling me that none of you here knows what happened to Ikem last night? When all of you are in the palace? I'm ashamed of you people. Even you, Ikoro, you do not know.
Your Majesty, I swear I do not know.
Can you listen to yourself talk? No, did you hear yourself talk? You are the leader of all these people here, and yet you are telling me that you do not know what happened to Ikem that led to his death last night.
Your Majesty, please forgive me. Please.
You people should leave my presence now. I said leave my presence! The problem of Obodoma Kingdom is becoming unbearable. Very, very unbearable.
My dear,
I know how much I love you. But we must understand that we have a problem at hand. As a king, I know that the more we waste time, the more dangerous this problem becomes. I would like you to do it.
Do what, Your Majesty?
Appease the gods.
Uzbe, what is going on? Why are you here all alone crying? Why? Uzbe, what is it?
I don't know what happened to me. I don't know what came over me.
Uzbe, what is it? Tell me. Talk to me. It's me, Ikoro. Talk to me.
Ikoro, the truth of the matter is that I am no longer comfortable staying in this palace.
Uzube, is it because of Ikem's death? Is there anything you don't want to tell me? It's me, Ikoro.
I don't know what happened.
You are what? Uzube, talk to me, please. Tell me. It's me, Ikoro. Uzube, you are what? Uzube, tell me.
Calm down. Listen, let me tell you. I did not gather us here for all this unnecessary noise. Okay. I want us to know what is the solution. Yeah. Is it that nobody can tell the queen to appease the gods or what? I wonder. What is going on? That is why I say we should come and assemble here. Yes. Remember, she's a queen. And so? She's a queen, and so Ugo, the queen desecrated the land. She needs to appease the gods.
People have started dying already, yet nobody wants to say anything. Isn't when we all die, that's when she'll come and appease the gods?
What really baffles me the most is that the elders are not doing anything about it.
No! Seems that the queen is stronger than everybody in your Bodwama.
It cannot be.
That's something you all are saying right now.
Impossible.
2 days ago, my mother told me that the women all went to go and see her. But she threw them out.
You see?
Okay, woman. Something has to be done. Let me tell you. As for me, I will not take it. If anything should happen to my mom or my dad, I will not take it.
Yes. Likewise me.
We need solution. Right now. I need a solution.
Yes.
We need solution.
Yes.
Let's just relax and pray that nothing happens to any of us.
At the horsepower of this village, bam! And we must have to say something.
Yes.
My fellow youth, I have a solution.
Solution?
Yes, I have a solution.
Tell us.
What is the solution? Let us hear it.
Let us hear it. What's the way forward?
Yes.
Okay, I trust you.
Yes.
Where did you go?
Obodo moya buza tulu de gwero nyente kanjo bodo na bonyo. Igwa podanye nana mopolia kedi kogesi weluzi na kemoto munaka obodo. Even a man obodo nana tube goro obodo kanjo even a man wa kalio alidi.
Ekoro, can you explain to me what is happening here? What is the meaning of all this?
Your Majesty.
Open up and talk to me.
Your Majesty, I don't know.
What do you not know? That all of you left all you are supposed to be doing this early morning and came out here to lie down? Is that what you do not know? You inside right now. Quickly! Ikoro.
Your Majesty.
Can you explain to me the drama that you displayed outside?
Your Majesty, Honestly, I do not know what happened this morning.
What are you trying to tell me? Your Majesty, honestly, I do not know what happened.
Your Majesty, I slept in my room last night, only to wake up this morning outside.
Yes, Your Majesty, it's true. The same thing happened to all of us.
How could that be?
Believe us, Your Majesty. I also slept in my room last night, only for me to find myself outside this morning, Your Majesty.
Okay, you may leave. How could this be possible?
Strange things are beginning to happen in this palace. Your Majesty, did you not hear the cry of an owl at midnight 2 days ago? All these strange things happening, Your Majesty. If I should ask a question, are they because I refuse to go naked?
Well, that may just be the cause of it. Might be.
If it is, Your Majesty, why would the gods not forgive me and restore my son's sight? Why wouldn't they? What did they want to do with my nakedness? Because I can never go naked. Tell me, why would they want me to go naked? What is it about my nakedness? They can send all the people sleeping inside the house to go outside and sleep, but they will not restore my son's sight. I will not go naked. I refuse to go naked, Your Majesty. Never. They will not forgive me. Why would they forgive me? What are they doing with my nakedness? Nonsense. What is this?
What is happening to me? I can no longer sleep a single day without having a horrible nightmare. What have I done, Ikem? Ikem, who will know the truth about your death? Who will know that I was the one that strangled you with my bare hands? I can't live with this secret forever. I see your blood flowing on my palms every day. Please forgive me, my brother. Forgive me. It's not my fault.
Nzube. Nzube. Nzube.
Lolo.
Are you alright?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Lolo, I say I am fine.
Maybe you have malaria.
I think so.
You think so? The king asked me to call you.
He said the king wants to see me.
Yes, he wants to see you.
But do you know why he's calling me?
I don't know. I don't know.
Are you aware why he was calling me?
How will I know? I don't know. Maybe you have an important business to discuss with you. Go and see the king.
Sorry.
please, I want to go.
Eye of the gods, I greet you.
I am not accepting any greeting this morning. Go in there and tell the king I want to see him.
Right away.
I greet you. A child that dances surugere dance does not know that surugere dance is the dance of the spirit. Even the ears that hears the drum dies. Your Majesty, do you want to dance surugere dance?
Ezemo, what are you talking about? I don't understand you.
Your Majesty, I was sent to warn you that the gods are angry with this kingdom. Okay. Remember, the sickness that killed an elephant is from the stomach. Tell your wife to appease the gods.
I see. Ezemo, are you also of the opinion that the queen mother of this kingdom should go naked? Tell me, is that not also a disgrace to the gods?
Your Majesty, soon, what is greater than this house will fall on this house. The royal family will know no peace until the gods are appeased. The blood of the maiden cries for vengeance. And the hearts boils. Your Majesty, I will not come here again to warn you on this issue.
What do you want me to do? Help me talk to them. Tell them that it is not proper for a queen mother of a whole kingdom to go naked round the whole 7 communities of this kingdom. It is not proper. Is there no other way out?
The gods are wise.
Can't you hear that knock?
Hear what?
It has been knocking for the past 5 minutes.
Who could that be? Okay, let me find out. What? I say,
there?
What are you talking now? I don't think it's human, it's a spirit. What are you doing? You don't have to go out there. It's not human, it's a spirit.
I do not care. Whether spirit or human, I do not care. It must end today. Look, I am not a coward, Choma. Let me find out who it is. Who's there?
Oh, no, shh.
Father, what is really going on? Huh? What's going on? This endless night of torment. Huh? Endless night of torment. What? I do not understand. What is going on, Father?
Son, I understand how you feel. What I want to tell you is that soon, all these torments will be over.
When is soon? Huh? When is soon, Father? When is soon? I am sick and tired of hearing the same words. Soon. Huh? First of all, you promised me I was going to get my sight back, right? You said I was going to get my sight. Hello? See, I am still blind. I cannot see. Huh? And then the saga of deaths, continuous deaths. What is going on, Father? Can somebody explain this to me? Huh?
Everything is under control, my dear. All we need to do now is to appease the gods.
Appease the gods? How else are we supposed to appease the gods? We already know. How else?
Son, like your father said, everything will soon be under control.
Please, I beg you in the name of the gods, Biko, just stay on your lane. You hear me? Stay on your lane. Just let me be. Okay? I wasn't talking to you. Just let me be.
My son, I can't believe you're talking to me.
I will talk to you in any manner I deem fit. Okay? Just let me be. I am asking Father questions. Okay? I want him to give me answers that you have refused to give me. Just let me be.
Son, watch what you say to your mother.
Let me be, Father. I am in this condition today because...
I won't let you talk to her that way. Have you lost your respect?
Yes, I have lost it. I have lost it, Father. I lost it the same way I lost my sight. I mean, look at me, Father. Look at me. At my age, I'm so blind. I cannot see. I wake up every morning. I don't even hear the people who talk to me. I don't see them. I don't know what they look like. I don't know what the sun looks like. Huh? Is it fair? And of course you will not understand because you are not blind. I am the only blind person here. I know. And then I have a wife. I have a wife whom I don't even see. I don't know what she looks like. And you're telling me to be calm. How will I be calm, Father? How?
Ebere, what is it?
Ijoma! Kaido, leave me out of here. Please, where?
To your parents at all, especially your mother. You've heard the stories. I'm sure all she was trying to do was save her marriage.
I do not wish to talk about this.
I know I don't deserve to be called your mother. But please, I want you to understand that I did what I did because I wish to save my marriage.
Mother, I wish to be left alone.
No, son. I won't leave you. You're my only child, so I won't leave you alone. Please, I need you to just understand me. Hear me out, please.
Huh? What do you want me to hear? Hear what? That you killed an innocent girl just to save your marriage. That's why I'm in this condition. Is that it? What do you want me to hear? Huh?
I just wish you would just calm down and hear me out. Eh? This whole thing will soon be over.
Calm down and die blind? Huh? This is what you've been telling me since. Calm down, calm down. It will be over. When? When will it be over? When will I see again? Huh? I said it before. Let me be.
Sickness of 1 year and she's down like this. What kind of sickness is this? What do they call this type of illness?
Your Majesty, I do not know. I certainly do not know.
Strange one. Very strange. Sickness actually started the day she had that dream.
What dream?
She had a dream more like a nightmare. In the dream, she saw the dead maiden. She said,
nothing will happen to her. I have sent for Dekri. He will be here any moment.
What shall we do to quench this pain and sorrows?
Your Majesty. Yes. I wish to speak with him privately.
What is it? Your Majesty, I'm afraid of what to tell you what I saw.
See, Odegrigri, you are one of the oldest herbalists in the 7 clans of this kingdom. That I know. I have confidence in you on your prowess on herbs. Please tell me, what did you see?
Your Majesty.
Yes.
I'm afraid to tell you that your daughter-in-law might not survive this. There's no life in her.
See, like I said earlier, I have confidence in you. As far as you are concerned, there is no sickness, no illness without cure. Because I have seen and have known that you do greater things than this. So I put it to you that you can do it.
All I do, the gods instruct me. They instruct me on what and what to do. And if I do it, it works. But in this case, Your Majesty, they have turned their back on me.
Why? No, why have they turned their back on you? Why are they doing this to me? Have I killed their child? Why are they bent on wiping out my lineage? Why?
This question is for the chief priest. I'm only a herbalist. Consult him. Consult him. There's nothing I can do. Your Majesty, I have to take my leave.
I have the gods. I hope everything is okay.
Your Majesty.
Yes.
My hands are tied.
Your hands are tied. Are you saying there's nothing you can do to help her?
If I could, I would have. My hands are tied. Please, Nico, I beg you, anything you can do to save my wife. She is all I have. She's all I have. Look at my condition, Nico. Help, please.
Son, nothing will happen to your wife.
The gods will decide that. To be honest, I see no life in her. Your Majesty, it is only a stubborn fly that follows the corpse to the grave. Save your family and save the kingdom.
Papa?
My son.
There is something I would like to discuss with you.
Go ahead. Discuss it.
I'll be going to Umari Singene tomorrow morning.
Umari Singene is not a place for children. What are you going there to do?
Mama, I'm not going there alone. All the youths are going, both male and female. We are going there for fortification. Since the queen has decided not to go naked, as the gods has instructed, and the gods have said there is no other sacrifice that is required except her going naked. You can see there is no other safety in this land. So we have decided to go there for fortification so that we will be safe, because none of us, the youth, want to die at this our early age, Mama.
My son, in fact, you have spoken well. I will want to advise you that you have to be careful in all that you do and where you go. That place you want to go to, Umaru Singene, is a very serious place. As a matter of fact, you have to be careful. But I support you. You people should go, because your movement there can bring solution to the problem of this land.
Nai, are you saying he should go?
Of course he has to go. Do you know whether by the time they go and come back, they will be the ones who will bring solution to the problems we have in this land?
Yes, Papa.
As a matter of fact, when they go and come back and they have good solution, we the elders, we will also consider embarking on such journey.
Papa, thank you.
Yes, my son.
I promise you I'm going to be careful. You are going to be careful.
Thank you, my son. You can go.
Thank you, Papa.
You can go.
Thank you, Papa.
You have my blessing.
Thank you.
One whose eye is on fire does not chase rats. It is only a coward that fights to protect himself when his parents are in the battlefield. Youths of Bodoma, where are you people going to?
Chief priest, we are no longer safe in our land, Obodoma. Yes! We the youth, we are going to protect ourselves. Yes! What you don't know should not know us.
Yes. You speak with wisdom, my child. You people have to be very careful before you add insult to injury. Go back so that you don't invite more problems to yourselves. Because it is dangerous for you, the youths of Oboroma, to touch the egg of a python. Go back. The journey is not possible.
Can you see what I saw?
For me, my people, I'm not going back for any reason. Yes. We must go to Umuarostengene.
Yes. Didn't you hear what the chief priest said?
If I support you, what is our way forward now? We must go there.
If we are going back, has the chief priest assured us that we are safe? If not, let's continue our journey back to Umuarostengene.
We have to continue our journey.
Youth of Obodoma. Youth of Obodoma. It's okay. It's okay. Now let's get this straight. Let's get this straight. If you know you want to continue the journey.
I'm going there. I'm going there.
I'm not going anywhere. I must go there and do everything and protect myself.
Do you know that the prince refused to eat his food?
Amara, if you are in his shoes, will you eat? Since his wife was suddenly afflicted with a strange sickness, a sickness that even the chief priests do not know the cure.
Oluchi, do you know Odegrigri was here 2 days ago?
Even Odegrigri could not know the cure of the sickness. Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings. And if I may ask, what are you girls discussing?
My queen. Nothing, my queen.
Your Majesty, we are just...
Would you go ahead?
My queen, we are discussing about the prince's refusals to eat since his wife ailment started.
Oh, I see. And what did you serve him this afternoon?
Your Majesty, I stabbed him his favorite, but he refused to eat.
Good. Okay. You can return to your duty post.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Son, the maidens told me that you have been without food for 2 days. Is that true? No, what has come over you? Do you want to kill yourself?
I have no reason to live, Mother. Give me one reason. Just one reason why I should live. And I will give you so many reasons why I shouldn't.
My son, your life is important to me. To us. Your life meant everything.
Life, Mother, you call this life? Huh? Is this life you call this life? I do not have a life, Mother. I have just one reason to live. She is the reason. If anything happens to her, I swear to God, Mother, I will take my life.
You will do no such thing, son.
Do it, Mother.
What has come over you?
Like I said, she is my life. Save my wife. Save my wife and save your son. If she dies, I die. The choice is yours.
I can't believe this. This is ridiculous. I just can't believe it.
We are not happy. Yes. You defy the land. Yes. And the God said that you should appease them. What are you still waiting for? Or do you want all of us to die? Oh. Now, sudden death has started killing our people.
But we must understand that we have a problem at hand. As a king, I know that the more we waste time, the more dangerous this problem becomes. I would like you to do it.
The only thing I support right now is anything that will give me my sight. I support me seeing, Father. Look at me. Look at your only son. The heir to your throne, Father. I'm blind. I'm a blind prince. I need to have my sight. I need to see anything that can be done. Let me just see, Father. Let me see, please.
If death comes knocking at my door, I die.
Go to Noah's place. Tell him I want to see him in the palace right away.
What is it?
I've decided to do it.
To do what?
I've decided to walk naked around the 7th clan of Obodoma. Just to save my son.
Kingdom, I bring good news and greetings to you from the chief priest. Oh, listen and listen very good. The queen of Obodoma Kingdom has accepted to go naked to appease the gods. Nobody is expected to go out or even travel outside this village. Everybody is expected to assemble at the village square. For whoever that violates this rule, we have the chief priest to contend with. I am sorry, Akamadiroya. I am sorry, Okumadirokwaya. Oyosikambu, Ejugo Kwambozi. Listen very good, oh! I bring good news and greetings from the chief priest. Listen, nobody is accepted to go out tomorrow because the queen of Obodoma Kingdom has accepted to go naked to appease the gods. I bring good news to you from the chief priest. Tomorrow being a market day, the queen of Obodoma Kingdom has accepted to go naked to appease the gods. So nobody is accepted to go out or to travel outside the village. Oh. Everybody is accepted to go to the village square because tomorrow being a market day is the day that our queen will go naked to appease the gods. Do not say you did not hear. I am sorry, Akamadirakwaya. Please, Okumadirakwaya. Oyosi kambu Wazico mosi. People of Obodoma Kingdom, I bring greetings to you from the chief priest. Listen and listen very good, oh! The queen of Obodoma Kingdom has accepted to go naked to appease the gods. Nobody is expected to go out, either travel, because whoever that is found on this, we have the chief priest to contend with. I have said my own, oh. I am sorry, Okumadirakwaya. Please, Akamadirakwaya. Oyosikambu, Ejugo Kwambozi.
Finally, the queen has accepted to appease the gods. Just like that.
Why will she do it? Is she not the queen? Huh. She will do it.
Wonders will not cease to happen. Who will believe that the queen of Obodoma will accept to use her nakedness to appease the gods?
My sister, at least one can sleep with her 2 eyes closed this time.
So you used to sleep with your 1 eye open before?
My sister, Nneka, let me tell you something. Don't you know that the death threat in this village, it is so unbearable, even myself, I can't even sleep. Who will believe that the almighty queen of Obodoma will use her nakedness to appease the god?
Oh, my sisters, let us see how it will turn out to be. We will see.
Your Majesty, where is the Queen?
She will soon join us.
Make sure you come with her to the village square. Yeah! If I am at will you say blue? I am the one. If I am with will you say blue? Your Majesty, it's only a fool that goes after a rat when his house is on fire. Queen of Obodoma, go down. Now, Your Majesty, the cleansing will start. The spirit of Umagu clan, come down and be represented. The spirit of Umaziza clan, come down. Amora, come down. Umumbelede, come down. The spirit of Umumbelede clan. Umuagu, come down. Obolodike, come down. Hey. Now that the seventh spirit of the seven clans of Obodoma is being represented here today. The Queen of Obodoma, stand up. Now that we have called the seven spirits of the seven clans of Obodoma, you can now remove your clothes.
Ikoro! What is happening? What do we do from here?
Let the guards take him to village hospital.
Guards! Take him to
Your Majesty!
Immediately!
Leave him! Get up!
Hold him strong!
Leave him! Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Your Majesty!
Alilege bosim no wama akwandelia okwabu muweze alilia nachi bumo alilege bosim no wame akwandelia nane mamomo momo nisio nana momo nisio abiabara muwa we mejotimo ogini kamere chimu barano mo kanwera ya muhuzo abiabara muwa we mejotimo ogini kamere chimu barano mo kanwera ya muhuzo.
I can see. I can see. I can see. Ijoma.
The king is dead.
Today, I adorn you with the regalia of the king of Obodoma. By the powers vested in me as the Onowu of Obodoma, I hereby crown you King the very one of Obodoma Kingdom. And here is your staff of authority.
The very one of Obodoma.
Chalo mi fama, ife chalo bukwa ifama, abu mi wobu na fulum dimnanya, abu zigini ne memi fa, abu gini ne bumi fa, abu na bisya marapu, kabu na bebandurango. Wabialo wano kwesile funaya, wabialo wano kwesile fumaya. Leta kwa chigio, aboso nenuwa. Leta kwa chigio.